So this is part 2 of game development in Python Pygame. So in the previous episode we made this game in Python Pygame. So today we are going to move the objects and complete the game. First we will move the ball, and for doing this I will make here ball another variable called ball underscore x underscore speed is equal to 1 and ball underscore y speed is equal to 1, and for moving the ball I will make a function and name it ball underscore movement, and then I will global these variables ball x speed comma ball y speed. Yes, and here I will do like this, that if ball dot y minus equal to ball y speed and ball dot x minus equal to ball x speed, and I will need to call the functions here. If I run this, the ball will move. So the ball is moving pretty fast, right? So we will need to slow it down. FPS means frames per second, and we are going to do like that. Pygame dot time dot clock, and then here we are going to do like that. FPS dot ticks is equal to 150. If we run this now, the ball is pretty slow. So we need the ball to bounce off the edges, and for doing so we will need that if ball dot y more than equal to 535, not 4. Yes, and another thing I would like to mention that 600 is a much bigger height. We need only 550 here, and if that's the case here, if ball y position is more than 535, then ball no then ball y speed multiplied equal to -1. If ball speed is 1, then minus plus is minus, so it will become -1. And if ball's speed is -1, then minus minus is equal to plus. Then again I will check if ball dot y less than equal to 0, then ball y speed multiplied equal to -1. These all things work on the same formula. And again I will check if ball x speed more than equal to 780, then ball x speed multiplied equal to -1. Again I will check if ball dot x less than equal to 5, then ball x speed multiplied equal to -1. And if I run this now, it should bounce. Yes, it bounces off like this, so it will be pretty nice like this. Now we will move the player by doing this, writing like that, that if event dot type is equal to pygame dot key down, then check if event dot key is equal to pygame dot key underscore w. So we are going to move the player by W and S keys. So if it's the case, then we will move the player minus equals to 50. The player, what happened here? No, player dot y here will be correct. Yes, we can move the player now. So again, we will do if event dot key is equal to pygame dot key underscore s, then player dot y plus equals to 50. So we can move the player in both directions. Then we will move the enemy by a simple logic. Then we will make new function and I will name it enemy underscore movement, and it will be that if enemy, not enemy, if computer dot y more than equal to ball underscore y, not underscore, dot y, then computer dot y plus equal to 2, and then I will check here that if computer dot y less than equal to ball dot y, then computer dot y equal to 2. Here it will be minus equal to 2. No, we need to call the function before we run it. So I will not name this enemy. This should be computer, right? And if I run this now, the enemy will, or the computer will move like this. Now we are going to check if there is any collision between the ball and player or the ball and the computer. So for doing that, we will create another function. I will name it collisions, and then I will do here as if ball dot collidirect player, then ball x speed multiplied equal to -1. I will global the ball x value or x speed value here, and then I will check here that if ball dot collidirect dot computer, then ball x speed multiplied equal to -1. So again I will call this function. If I run this now, it should collide. Yes, the ball just bounced off the player right now, and I will show it again to you. Yes, it bounces off. Another improvement that I will like to do is that the player can move out of the screen and the computer can too. So I will make another function and name it improvements, and then I will just do here that if player dot y less than equal to 25, then check, then player dot y is equal to 25, and if player dot y more than equal to 425, player dot no player dot y is equal to 425. No, I will need to do that, but before calling the function I will copy this, paste this, and just replace down section with computer. Paste and paste, and I will call the function here. And if I run this now, the player cannot go out of the screen and neither the enemy can. The last thing to do will be adding a score to our game, and for doing that we simply need to load a font and draw it on the screen. To do that we will need a variable called font, and we will give it pygame.font. Just remember there's a difference between the F and F. At the first one is small and the second one is capital. So first we will need to enter the font name, and it will be free sans bold dot ttf, and then it will be the size, so it will be 50, and the next variable we need will be score underscore value, and it will be 0 because we will update in the next few codes. So we will make another function and we will call it as score, and this will have score underscore surface and this is a variable, and so here we need our font variable, and then we will render. So first it will ask what do you like to enter here, so I will write here score, and I will write another plus to string, no it will be str, and it will be score value. Then it will ask a boolean, so it will be true, and the last thing it will ask will be the color, so it will be white, and we just simply draw it on the screen by screen dot plate score surface comma 10 comma 10. So if we call the here function here, so it will be a score here. So we will simply increase the score by here, but I will need to global the score value first. Score value plus equal to 1. Yes, the score increases here. So that's it for this, guys.